Hey guys, Electron Man. We're going to do a little bit of a different review today. This is on a, I call it a under that they call it an under cabinet lighting. I'm going to use it on my workbench for some under shelf workbench lighting. But anyway, I actually bought one of these already, and for my aquarium of all things, I got a 20-gallon aquarium, and it has a fluorescent light that keeps the starter keeps going. Anyway, it's hard to get bulbs for, so I decided I'm just going to do a LED conversion, which it worked really great for that. And I liked it so much that I went ahead and bought a dual set of them here. We'll go ahead and unbox them. But these are, I mean, super reasonable priced. I mean, you're talking, I think I gave like $11 or $12 for a set of 2 of them. So I mean, they are priced right, and I'm just really impressed with the way they work. It's got these little metal tabs that you can put on it with magnets, so that if you want to magnetize it underneath there, it gives you different mounting options. Double-sided tape or magnets, whichever you want. And as you can see, it comes with 2 lights, 2 little USB power adapters, which that's why I bought it for the aquarium, is I didn't want 120 volts by the water. So, you know, one of these adapters is down at the wall plug on the wall, so I'm only doing 5 volts up to the aquarium top, so for safety reasons. But anyway, they're little guys, but I'm just totally impressed with them. So much, like I said, I went ahead and bought me a couple more. But I'll provide a link. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name they are. It's like DWEPTU or something. It's some Chinese name that I can't pronounce. But anyway, they're made out of metal, which impressed me, as you can see. And then they have a diffuser on them, and they have a nice long cord. I'd say it's about probably 3 meters. Not 3 meters, probably 1.5 meters, like 5 feet. And let me go ahead and plug one in here and show you what we got here. You saw the unboxing. I'm just going to plug it in here. And it's got a little switch here that's backlit, as you can see. And oh, you got to turn it on first. I mean, look at the light that puts out. And I just love that you can dim it. For the aquarium, it was really nice because, you know, it's a little too bright, about mid brightness for it. But for the bench, it's perfect. I mean, set underneath the bench, I don't know if you can tell from there how well that's going to light that up. But I mean, that is amazing. I think I'm going to put one right about here. It'll actually help with my videos when I'm doing a video here. But and then you see you can lower the light on it. But anyway, this is a short video. It's just it's a cool product, and I like to share cool products with you. I got, you know, no sponsorship on this or anything. Nobody's paying me to do a review on it. It's just, it's such a bargain that I found on Amazon. I thought it was worth sharing with you. I mean, if you're looking for a little, you know, if you got a computer desk or a workbench, or I guess even in the kitchen under the cabinets, you know, with its various ways to mount between magnetic and double-sided tape. I mean, you got lots of options. These little metal pieces, if you take them, there's actually a spot on the back that has a magnet built into it, as you can see here, guys. So that's how you use those. And then, of course, it's got double-sided tape on one side, so you just take and put your 2 little metal pieces like that, peel the tape off, stick it up underneath your cabinet like that. Voila. And then, of course, you can always just take it down to clean it or whatever, because it's just magneted to the back of the deal. Anyway, just a FYI on that part of it. And of course, this is just double-sided tape. For me, I just set it on top of the aquarium. I didn't even have to mount it, but for the underneath here, I'll mount it this way up. And it's not metal, so I'll probably use the double-sided. I mean, you got a lot of options, or you can do Velcro, whatever you want. But anyway, point is for like $6 a piece, I think these things are awesome. I love the on and off switch on it. I love that you can dim it, and you can brighten it. Just a little bargain I'm showing with you. With the way inflation was, these might be $50 before we know it, but for right now, you can get a pair of them for like 12 bucks. That's like $6 a piece, and I'm just really impressed with the light it puts out. I mean, I think that gives you the best example right there. I think that'll do good for when I do a watch review and stuff. It'll definitely light my watch up nice. Anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this little short tip and information and product review on this little LED light strip. I'll provide a link down below. If you like this little tip, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And by the way, have a great day, guys. This is Electron Man.